You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. It has two different pronunciations, two different functions. As a verb, we'll see how it's pronounced as a verb and as an adjective. So, as a verb, to separate different things, when you sorting out, you have to separate things. It's separate, separate, to separate things, okay, sorting things out. That's as a verb. As a noun, it's pronounced separate. It's actually an adjective. When two things are apart, they are separate, or two different people are separate, separate, separate. Stress on the first syllable. So, how to pronounce in English? Two different pronunciations. Separate, as in I separate the oil from the water, separate, or those two people are separate, as an adjective. Separate or separate. Two different pronunciations. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.